been asking about an update on the TL, so I'm going to give you guys an update here today and just let you know how things are going. Everything has actually been solid on the car. I haven't had any issues with it. I still go out and I can have a little bit of fun with it, and you know, the extra little gains out of it is definitely noticeable, like quite noticeable. So let's go ahead and jump into it, guys. Alright guys, there you have it. My 2004 Acura TL with a stroker build. This has been great. It's my daily driver. It's been great. I haven't had any issues with it. So I do appreciate you guys tuning in. I appreciate you guys subscribing to my channel. If you're new, do me a favor and hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. I'd really appreciate it. There will be more updates on it right now, but right now it's at a comfortable spot where I'm enjoying it. I can have fun and do what I need to do with it. But I do plan on doing some top end work now, work on the head, get it ported, find some cams, some valves and some springs and stuff. That way I can be able to push some more power, and then I'll look into what I need to do to be able to tune it. Since it is an 04, what I've been seeing is that I have to get like an 05 or 08 Type S manual trans ECU, Honda flash tune, plus the jumper harness, the adapter harness, so it can plug in. Let me know if you guys know any other ideas on that, so I can be able to look into that. I'd love to be able to get it tuned and be able to get it to its full potential. But I appreciate y'all. I'll catch you in the next one.